Okay, we're not done until the truck is unloaded. But we kicked ass and took names. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
There ain't nobody that can say I ain't no badass Texas bitch. Cause that's the way I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling like a badass Texas bitch. I don't know about these. We have to pull these down. Here, Daddy. Found some more. This stuff waving in the wind will get me fouled.
Yeah.
Daddy, help me.
What?
Can you break this, rip this, or something? Never mind, I got it, because I'm a badass Texas bitch. I got it. From right there.
Oh my God, badass bitch.
I'm getting this next. Abel ain't never heard of me refer to myself as a badass bitch. Because I ain't never thought of myself as one. Until today. I didn't think we was ever going to get done. And that was even taking a 2-hour break to wait for the guy that bought the lawnmower. But I do. I do feel like a badass bitch. I think if I leave that there, that might be alright. We'll see. Because it's not waving in the wind.